Another thing I want to talk about and is interesting journey is fasting. I am currently on day 3 of fasting. And listen, guys, if you fast or if you ever fast, if you never fast, oh my God, look it up. It is such a powerful method to do, and it's so spiritual. By day 3 today, I was praying with my son this morning, and I don't even know who that was praying through me. That was such the spirit. My mouth was moving, but it wasn't me talking. It was God. And then I was reading my Bible, and I was seeing stuff I had never seen before. Stories that I'm like, oh dang, he fed the 5,000 and the 4,000. Dang, how did I miss that? I was seeing Jesus' words in the Bible like so powerful. I'm just like, man, I literally can get addicted to fasting for real. I do intermittent fasting throughout the day anyway. I do OMAD mostly, which is 1 meal a day, which is technically is not 1 meal a day. It's eating for 1 hour per day and then fasting for 23 hours. And then sometimes I do um 16/8, where you eat after 12 and then you only eat for 8 hours, in between 8 hours. So I fast anyway, but I started off doing spiritual fast, whereas today basically I'm on day 3. I have had no food. I've had only water, for 3 days, and amazing things happen. Your mental clarity is just off the wall. It's like you see things, you're sensitive to hear things. I hear the spirit more. So many things happen during the fast, and if you look up the physical effects, you will realize fasting is so spiritual that it connects and it fixes everything. I actually did a 21-day fast before, and it was the most powerful journey I have ever been on. I cured endometriosis with my 21-day fast. And I found it on an article that I was reading online, and I could not believe it. I was like, well, I fasted before. 21 days is a lie. And I have people to vouch for that. No lie. Nothing but water, 21 days. I am literally thinking about doing it again. But, anyways, fasting is powerful. If you look it up, it talks about how it heals the body inside, the things it do to you physically, not just spiritual, the things it do to you physically, mentally, emotionally. It targets everything. And I just had to jump on here and let you know that's one of the things I'm doing as well. And that is definitely a part of my self-care, my spiritual self-care that triggers the physical, mental, emotional, every way around. So just wanted to come and let you guys know that as well.